Hello everyone, in this video, I'll be showing you how to make an automatic door in Studio Lite. Before we start, smash that subscribe button so you will know when more tutorials drop. To start off, create a model in the workspace. You can rename it anything you like, but in this tutorial I renamed it to Automatic Door. Next you want to create two models for two doors, one for left and one for right. Also make sure to rename the doors exactly how I named for the script to work. Then let's create a trigger part, also known as the trigger zone, where players have to enter for the door to activate. Name this part exactly as shown on the tutorial for it to work. Next, you can resize the trigger zone for whatever the size you want it to be. Now make the door part for the door models. For this video, I'm making the trigger zone partially invisible so we will know where exactly the player has to be to trigger the door. Now make a new part for the door and put it in the model. You'll have to make this as a primary part because this is what the script will move, and all the other parts in the model gets moved along with the primary part. Now resize the part for what size you want it to be. Also, during testing, feel free to rotate the parts or change how the script works if the parts are moving the wrong way for you. Yeah, it's hard to change the script, so rotating the primary parts would be more easier for you. Now make a script and paste the script I have provided, and the script is in the description. I have provided a link to my website so you can grab the script from there. Now add the opening and closing sounds to the model. Name the sound objects exactly as shown on the video for it to work. Now, it's all done, and you gotta test it, and it works perfectly. Now, you can modify the door models and design it a bit according to your liking. This is what I wanted to make as an example, and I am obsessed with the door. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and maybe share it to a friend, and it would help me a lot. Leave a comment on what tutorial you want next, and I'll be back with another tutorial. Thanks for watching.